Hey, what's up guys, it's me Aryan here and I'm back again with my another video, and this time around I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro from Apple. So I purchased these for myself a while ago for my own personal use, and I've been using them ever since. In this video I'm going to be talking about what the unboxing experience is of this product, as well as give you guys an overview if you are thinking to buy this for yourself. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And without any further wasting time, let's jump right into the video. Now I always try to start by giving the overview of the package that a product comes in. So the AirPod Pro's package is completely white as a typical Apple box, and at the front they give you a picture of the AirPods, and on the left and right side you get the Apple logo. As simple as that. On the top of the box it's written AirPods Pro wireless charging case, which suggests what's inside the box. Now quickly taking a look at the back, here it gives you the image of the whole package, the AirPods with their wireless charging case, and some information in different languages provided by Apple. Also, for some of you who are into specifications of a device, here is the specification of the AirPods Pro. Obviously they have active noise cancellation, they have transparency mode, they have adaptive EQ, they have amplifiers and drivers both from Apple which are custom made by them. Also they have dual microphones, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer, and a force sensor. Also the processor in this is a H1 based chip developed by Apple. Also they are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. Also the total weight of the whole thing is 51 grams, with 5.4 grams for the AirPods itself and 45.6 grams for the charging case it includes. It does have wireless charging, which is key certified, and as Apple suggests, it has 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, and pair up with the charging case it has a more than 24 hours of listening time. And Apple claims that 5 minutes in case provides around 1 hour of listening time in these. They do have Bluetooth 5.0. They are mainly compatible with Apple devices, but you can still use them on Android devices as well, such as their tablets or phones, or even on your Windows computers or laptops. But quickly peeling the plastic that is on top of the box, let's see what we get inside. So when you open it, you get a paper package which is designed and made by Apple, and it says on the front it is designed by Apple in California. Now when you open this particular thing, you get the information guides, which I love to read every time. Nah, I'm just kidding, I'm just gonna keep this aside. But after those boring papers, we get a final look on the AirPods Pro charging case, covered in some plastic. Now I always love satisfying peel off videos, so here it goes. Alright, now that we have enjoyed that, we will see what else do we get. And when you open the packaging like this, you firstly get to see the ear tips provided by Apple, which are of different sizes. And I would highly suggest trying every single size out to get the perfect size for your ears. Now after this, we get a charging cable, which is specifically a Type-C to Lightning cable. Now please take a moment and look at the charging case of the AirPods Pro. These are wireless charging case, as I said earlier, and these only comes in white color. And at the back you would see designed by Apple in California, and there's also a button present at the back which can be used to connect to a new device or reset these. Now opening them and closing them is kind of satisfying, but when you open them you see a charging indicator flashing at the front, which kind of tells you your charging battery. If it's near to full, it will show you a green, and if it's near to a low battery percentage, it will show you an orange color, indicating that you will have to charge them now. But these are sufficiently charged now, so we will directly take a look at the two AirPods. Now when you take them out, they do have a white light flashing, which means you will have to pair them to a new device now. So that's what I am going to do here now. So if you have an Apple device, it's really easy to pair them. You simply just take your phone and open the AirPods and keep them close to each other, as close as possible, and then it will show you a pop-up on your iPhone or iPad that there's a new AirPods Pro that is ready to pair with this device. And you will have to press and hold the back button on the AirPods Pro, and it will then simply just connect with your device and be registered with your iCloud. And it will show you some information regarding the AirPods Pro and how you can use them. And clearly an Apple implementation, which I'd really like, is the battery percentage showing on the phone. And whenever you open the charging case, it will show you the battery percentage of each things inside it. Also, the controls on these are different than the normal AirPods, as there's a force touchpad right here, and if you press it once, it will play, pause or answer a phone call. If you force touch it twice, then it will skip forward a song. If you force press it 3 times, it will skip back to the song. And if you press and hold it, it will switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. And if while you're wearing them, if you say, "Hey Siri," then you can make it do things like play a song or get directions, anything what a Siri does. Also, when you connect them, you do have options. You have 3 different options of the kind of audio you would like to listen from these. If you go down here in the settings, it will show you 3 different settings for these AirPods Pros. One is turning on the noise cancellation, another one is turning off the noise cancellation, and the third one, transparency mode. So with that mode, you will be able to listen to your audio better and will be able to listen outside what's happening around you. Now that we have paired it, let's take an overview of the product itself. Talking about my side of the story, when I first saw them, I really liked their size. And it was one of the reasons I really like to carry them around with me whenever I'm outside or in my house. This has been one of the major design changed by Apple for a listening product. And so far, I am really liking it. It do have better ceiling than the previous AirPods. I find these more comfortable to use and they do not get off my ears really easily. Overall, it has a good design, it has a good build quality, and the noise cancellation is also really something to worth noticing here. And that was pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. And if you did, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Hopefully in this video you got the sense of the unboxing experience and an overview on this little device. And if you want to see a review, do let me know in the comment section down below and I am happy to make that. But for now, this is Aryan Sadyora signing off for now. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.